Hi, boys and girls. We're going to practice the names and the sounds of the letters we've learned so far in kindergarten. And the letters we've learned are A, M, P, S, and T. And why do we practice the names and sounds of letters? Because I am learning letters so I can read and write. We are learning to read and write, boys and girls. All right, so first we're going to talk about the letter name, a word that starts with that letter, and the sound the letter makes. Are you ready? A, apple, a, a, a. A says a. M, mouse, M says Sorry, I had a scratch in my throat. P, pear, p, p, p. P says p. S, saw, s, s, s. S says s. T, truck, t, t, t. T says t. Very good, boys and girls. We've warmed up practicing our letter sounds and their names. Now I'm going to hold up a letter card and I'll give you 3 seconds to say the sound that letter makes. And if you don't get it, it's okay. Mrs. Harris will say it and then you can say it with me. Okay? And you can practice this video as many times as you need to until you know the sounds the letters make. Here we go. S, a, a. Very good, boys and girls. Thanks for practicing with me. I'll see you next time.